everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about what is literally the worst thing that you can do as a new driver. This is, no exaggeration, by far the worst thing that you can do as a new driver. There are many bad things that you can do, not wearing your seatbelt, blasting your music, and so forth, but this is by far the worst thing. You definitely do not want to do this one thing. All right, let's get right into the video. I'm not going to beat around the bush. What is the worst thing that you can do as a new driver? It is act like you are an experienced driver. Now, pretty much every new driver does this for the most part, including myself when I was a new driver. You go, you get your license, you feel like an absolute big shot, and all of a sudden you're the guy or girl with 70 years driving experience. That's how you act. You got your license and now that's it. Basically, I'm the king of the world. I'm the queen of the world. It's called arrogance, and it's specifically called driver arrogance. You might not be an arrogant person, but if you're arrogant as a driver, it's a horrible thing. And it's even worse if you're arrogant as a new driver. So here's the thing. If you just got your license, congratulations. That's fantastic. Hopefully my videos helped you get your license, or hopefully they contributed in one way, in some way, shape, or form to you actually passing your driving test. And if they didn't, you should go check them out. Wink, wink. Anyways, congratulations, you got your license. That's great, but you are literally at the absolute beginning of your driving career. You are literally the least experienced in driving that you will ever be from here on out. Meaning tomorrow, you're gonna have more experience than today. And if you just got your license, you know, a week ago, a month ago, a year ago, you're still a new driver for the most part. Here are some things that new drivers do when they act like experienced drivers. The first thing that I have on my list over here is giving parents attitude, okay? All of a sudden, you know, your mom and dad ask you to do something, and then you give them attitude. You know what? I got my license. I have my license, okay? Respect that. Respect. You just give them attitude. Come on. Listen, they're your parents. They probably helped you get your license substantially, okay? Don't give your parents attitude just because you got your license. Especially if you want them to let you drive their car. Definitely don't give them attitude. Definite piece of advice. As a parent, don't, just as a piece of advice as me being a parent, don't give your parents attitude. It's as simple as that, okay? The next thing is thinking that they own the road. New drivers that act like experienced drivers, they're on the road and they think that they own the road. I'm gonna signal, I'm gonna go in this lane, I'm gonna cut this guy or girl off. I don't even care what they think of me. Listen, we share the road, okay? Someone cuts them off, they're hammering down the horn, doing hand gestures, if you know what I mean, screaming out the window. Listen, people make mistakes. We all share the road. No one owns the road. We all rent the road. The moment we start our car and we drive on it, we're renting that road, okay? New drivers that act like experienced drivers get distracted. Yeah, hey, what's up? Yeah, where do you want to meet? Yeah, no problem. Okay, no problem. Okay, yeah, I'll meet you there. All right, sounds good. Where do you want to go? Okay, no problem. That sounds good. I'll see you there. Yeah, we'll grab a coffee. Okay, that sounds great. Okay. Don't get distracted, okay? Listen, you got to pay attention to the road. Don't get distracted. Put your cell phone away. Turn the music down, okay? Tell your passengers to hush, hush. Keep it down so that you can actually drive. Don't scream out the window and stuff. Trust me, we've all been there and done that, including myself at some point. Just don't get distracted. You need the focus right now. When you have experience, when you've been driving for 10 years, yeah, and 15 years, 30 years, you could probably blast your music and still focus, or play your music loudly and still focus. Talk to your passengers and still focus. But right now, you can't. It's as simple as that, okay? I hate to break it to you. And the last thing is breaking road rules and parent rules, okay? Your parents tell you to be home by 9 o'clock. You show up at 10:15. Mom, Dad, I got my license. I got my license. Okay, I can show up at the time that I want. No, you can't. They're your parents. They're the rules, okay? All of a sudden, you're rolling stop signs. You've been stopping at full stops for the 1 year that you've been getting ready to get your license. All of a sudden, you get that license card. Now you're just blazing through the stop signs. I got my license, you say to the police officer as he or she hands you a ticket, okay? Listen. Follow the rules, okay? Hopefully this video was a little bit educational and I tried to make it, I guess, a bit entertaining. But that's it, you know, it's the worst thing that you can do as a new driver. Act like an experienced driver. If you have any other examples of people that are new drivers, when they act like experienced drivers, what they do. Drop a comment down below. I would love to read them. I got my license. I would love to read them down below. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.